Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Today, our lesson will be all about poetry. Well, some of the basics of poetry. This is a unit of study that we will be looking at for a couple of weeks. But like I said, today we are only going to learn about some of the basics. So what is a poem? A poem is a collection of words that express an emotion or idea, sometimes with a specific rhythm. There are many different types of poems that we will learn about. Today, we will only go over a few parts of a poem. We will learn about the voice or speaker, rhymes, lines, and stanzas. The voice or the speaker could be the poet or a character the poet created. Let's take a look at a short poem and identify the speaker. So this is called For Sale by Shel Silverstein. One sister for sale, one sister for sale, one crying and spying, young sister for sale. I'm really not kidding, so who'll start the bidding? Who is the speaker in this poem? A. Shel Silverstein, the author. B. The boy. C. The girl. D. Me. If you answered B, the boy, you are correct. Shel Silverstein is the author of this poem, but he is not the speaker/voice. He wrote it so that the boy would be the voice of this poem. The rhyme scheme of the poem is the pattern of rhymes within the poem. So let's take a look at another Shel Silverstein poem. This is titled The Poet Tree. Underneath the poet tree, come and rest a while with me, and watch the way the word web weaves between the shady story leaves. The branches of the poet tree reach from the mountains to the sea. So come and sit and dream and climb. Just don't get hit by falling rhymes. Some of the rhyming words we saw in the poetry were tree, me, weaves, leaves, tree, sea, climb, rhyme. The line in a poem is a single line of text from left to right. One sister for sale is one line of the poem. The stanza is a group of lines separated by a space. So here we've got the example of the first stanza of the poet tree, and it's made up of 4 lines. Those 4 lines make up a stanza. So now it's time for you to apply what you've learned.